Greetings everybody, this is Stefan, SYGTECH is here, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna check the Pixy Wireless Studio version 2. We're gonna check some of the settings and some of the features about this new interesting wireless camera from Emeet. Let's jump to the computer and let's see some of the coolest features. And now the Pixy Wireless is being connected. Let me show you some of the coolest features with the version 2 by Emeet. So as you can see, the camera is being connected. We have the Pixy Wireless is being connected. We have a plus. So you can add up to 3 cameras. This is fantastic for multicam stream, which probably I'm going to demonstrate that in a separate video. So we have the view tab, effects, assistance, status. So as you can see on the view tab, we have all the PTZ controls, tracking and privacy. So you have a joystick here, so you can move the camera left, right, up and down, which again, this is fantastic to choose the perfect angle. Tracking is pretty straightforward. So obviously the camera is going to follow you, as you can see, and it's pretty accurate in my opinion, and it's very smooth. So I'll leave it to manual. Privacy, obviously it's pretty straightforward. Camera will go to sleep, as you can see, and let's leave it to manual. Also we have PTZ reverse controls. If you switch that off, if you move left, the camera will move right. If you move right, the camera will move left. So that's why I left the PTZ reverse control on. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me move to the right. What else we have? We have a press position, and this is pretty much on the view tab. Effects. So here you can play with the colors, saturation, and white balance, and all the cool stuff. So if you want to play around with the picture quality and the video quality, you can do that. So metering we have in central. This is for the light. Central, spot, average. Central is the best. See the exposure. So if I leave it on auto, it's gonna work as supposed to, but you can play around. So as you can see, now it's manual. So yeah, you have full control. I like that. You have full control of the brightness, saturation, white balance, and everything, which is fantastic in my opinion. Again, just play around here, choose the perfect settings. Also we have anti-flicker. Again, depends on your region. I live in the UK. So this is set to 50 Hertz. Also we have HDR. This is pretty cool. So check now the screen when I switch the HDR on. HDR on, HDR off. As you see, massive difference. This is pretty cool. If you play around with the colors, you can reset the settings to normal. Let's move to assistance. So here we have the microphones. Obviously the camera comes with a built-in microphone. So you have original, noise cancelling. We have the gesture control, so you can switch that off. So if you don't want to use the gesture controls, so if I raise my hand now, a couple of seconds, and now I'm in tracking follow me mode, which is fantastic. If I want to switch this off, just again raise my hand, and now I'm in manual mode. So if you don't want to play with that, you can switch this off. Also for the built-in recording capabilities, if you use internally, you can do that with the micro SD card, which has been built in. So if you want to see the video of my first impressions of the Pixy Wireless, make sure to check that. So here are some of the features and the settings if you want to record outside with the Pixy Wireless. So the maximum resolution is going to be 1080p, 60 frames per second, which is fantastic in my opinion. So you can take this camera with you outdoor if you do some sports with massive 97-degree field of view. This is great. As you can see, this is so huge. So you can do that. We have some of the settings here, so you can play around. And also status, you can check here the name of your Pixy, updates. Also something pretty cool, I can disconnect the camera from the computer and I can use it just wirelessly, which is fantastic. I'll demonstrate that in a separate video. Let's move to this tab here. So if you move your mouse on the screen, You can see the resolution of the actual camera. You can record up to 4K 30 frames per second, but if you downgrade to 1080p, you can record 60 frames per second, I think. Also, you can play around with the picture. You can move the screen left, right, left, which is pretty cool. Zoom, this is pretty nice. So you can zoom in, as you can see. We can zoom in pretty cool. This is pretty nice. You can play around. Mic monitoring. Overall, this is pretty cool. This camera comes with so many cool features. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite feature, and let me know what else do you want me to cover on the Pixy Wireless. If you have any question, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. This was Stefan from SYGTECH. I'll see you guys in the next one.